Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best sport tops for women available right now. The Longline Wirefree padded sports bra from the Gym People.
If you're into fitness or just looking for comfortable activewear, you'll want to stick around for this review.
This sports bra isn't just about support, it's about comfort and style too.
Made from a blend of 80% polyamide and 20% spandex, it's lightweight, breathable, and offers fantastic stretch for all your movements.
Let's talk design.
The U-back and racerback combination not only provide excellent support, minimizing bounce during workouts, but they also add a touch of elegance to your workout ensemble.
Plus, with removable pads, you get customizable coverage and shaping.
Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or even just lounging around, this sports bra adapts to your lifestyle. It's perfect for low, medium, and high-impact activities, making it a versatile choice for any woman's wardrobe. I've been wearing this bra for a while now, and let me tell you it's held up incredibly well. The fabric is not only sweat-wicking to keep you dry, but it's also surprisingly soft against the skin. And, the best part? It's easy to care for just hand wash and it's good to go. Styling-wise, you can pair it effortlessly with your favorite leggings for a sleek workout look, or throw on some shorts for a more casual vibe. It's even versatile enough to layer under other tops for added comfort and support. Don't just take my word for it, let's see what some other users are saying.
So, whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking for comfortable everyday wear,
the Gym People Women's Longline Sports Bra is definitely worth considering. It's supportive, stylish, and designed with your comfort in mind.
Thanks for tuning in today.
If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product critiques. Until next time, stay active and stay stylish.